Today, we're digging into Optimism, ticker OP, a project that's been lighting up the charts and the news lately. If you're holding OP or just curious about jumping in, stick around. I've got massive updates, like a game-changing upgrade that could send this thing soaring, plus a technical breakdown that might point us straight to $7. I'll even walk you through my personal trading plan, step by step, so you can ride this wave too. Oh, and there's a sweet bonus waiting on MEXC with up to $8,000 in rewards if you use my link below. Ready to make some money? Let's roll. Alright, let's start with the big stuff shaking up Optimism right now. On July 24th, the team dropped Superchain Upgrade 16, and trust me, it's a total game changer. Picture this. They've cranked up the gas limit to 500 million per block. In simple words, that's like widening the highway so more cars, or in this case, transactions, can zoom through faster and cheaper. They've also tweaked the smart contracts to make all the superchain networks play nicer together, which is huge for scaling up. And here's where it gets interesting. Chains like OP Mainnet, Base, Zora, and Unichain now hit stage 1 status on L2 Beat's decentralization scale. That's a fancy way of saying they're more secure and less controlled by any one group. Exactly what we want in crypto. But it doesn't stop there. Base, which runs on Optimism's tech, just leveled up big time. They're calling it Base Chain now, and it's all about powering the on-chain economy. They've slashed block times from 2 seconds to a blazing 200 milliseconds with something called Flashbots. That's 10 times faster. Brian Armstrong from Coinbase even tweeted about it, saying they're live testing this speed boost. Faster blocks mean quicker trades and smoother apps, which could pull in way more users. Plus, the Coinbase wallet's turning into the Base app, mixing in social features, chat, payments, and trading. This is adoption on steroids, and it's all tied to Optimism's ecosystem. Now, let's talk about Optimism flexing its muscles in the market. On July 28th, Upbit, the massive Korean exchange, added OP to its lineup with KRW, Bitcoin, and USDT trading pairs. Why is that a big deal? More exchanges mean more people can buy in, especially in Asia, where crypto's booming. It's like opening a new store in a busy mall. Suddenly, everyone's checking out OP. This extra liquidity could trigger a significant continuation of the price rally, as prices have already skyrocketed today due to the listing on Upbit. And the buzz isn't just on exchanges. LunarCrush, which tracks how coins stack up based on price moves and social chatter, ranked OP second out of the top 10 altcoins on July 28th. Only XRP beat it out. That's a huge sign the community's fired up and the tokens got momentum. When you've got people talking and trading, that's fuel for the rocket. These moves show OP's not just a tech play, it's getting real-world traction. Let's zoom into what's growing inside Optimism's world. Back on July 18th, Piers Harger dropped on Twitter. Flashbots is now baked into the OP stack for all Optimism chains. Flashbots is this slick tool from Ethereum that's all about speeding things up, and now it's giving Optimism chains sub-second transactions for less than a penny. Imagine sending money or swapping tokens that fast and cheap. It's enterprise-level stuff that could lure in big players and developers. Then there's the SuperchainXP program, a test run to juice up DeFi on the Superchain. It wrapped up on June 30th and crushed it, so much that they opened OP token claims on July 15th. If you joined in, you can grab your rewards on their official website. Just connect your wallet, hit claim, and confirm the transaction. Easy peasy. Morpho Mini app users get WorldCoin WLD, but most folks are snagging OP at a 1-to-1 rate based on their XP. The team's already teasing more reward rounds to keep scaling things up. This isn't just a one-off. It's Optimism keeping the ecosystem thriving. Alright, time for the juicy part. Let's crack open the weekly OP USD chart and figure out how to cash in. Right now, OP's chilling around 75 cents, but I'm seeing some green flags waving. I've traced Fibonacci levels from the March 2024 peak down to the recent June lows. These are like price checkpoints. If we dream big, the 1618 extension lands at 750. That's our roadmap. Check this out. There's a descending trend line from the March and November 2024 highs, and it's slamming right into our first target at 150, and also the 236 Fibonacci level. If OP punches through there, it's like breaking the lock on the gate. Things could take off. Down below, the Heikin-Ashi RSI indicator, a smoother version of the momentum gauge, is climbing out of the oversold basement into bullish land. That's a sign the buyers are waking up. On the left, the volume profile shows where the action's been thickest, with the point of control at 70 cents. I've marked a green box from 60 cents to 75 cents as a sweep by zone if the price dips. It's like a safety net with tons of past trading support. My game plan. I'm eyeing 5 take-profit stops. $1.50, $2, $3, $5, and $7. Start small. Maybe trim 20% each level. It's up to your risk profile. But here's the guardrail. If we close a weekly candle below that red dashed line at 59 cents, I'm out. That's the stop loss. Could mean a double bottom or more downside, so we wait and see. Once profits roll in, I'll trail my stop to lock it down. Oh, and I trade this stuff on MEXC. It's super easy for beginners, with low fees and a slick setup. Hit the link in the description to sign up and snag up to $8,000 in rewards. They've even got a wild 600% USDT yield deal for 2 days right now. Don't sleep on that. We've unpacked a monster upgrade, killer market moves, ecosystem wins, and a chart setup that's got me pumped. Whether you're trading or just hodling, Optimism is showing some serious juice right now. But hey, crypto is wild. Do your homework and keep your risk in check. Never take what I'm saying as financial advice. Take your own decisions. If this lit a spark for you, punch that like button. Drop a comment. Where do you see OP heading? And if you're not subscribed yet, you are crazy. Hit that button right now. Tons more breakdowns like this are coming your way every day. Oh, and peek at our last Ethereum video linked on your screen for another deep dive. Stay sharp, stay profitable, and I'll catch you tomorrow in the next one.